Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Klarna to Apple Pay. First, make sure you already have the Klarna app installed on your iPhone and that you are signed in to your account. Now open the Klarna app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, look at the bottom menu and navigate to the wallet or card section. Depending on your app version, the name may look slightly different, but it will usually be easy to find. Inside this section, you should see your Klarna card. Tap on the card to open more options. After that, look for the button that says Add to Apple Wallet and tap on it. The app will now guide you through the setup process. You may be asked to confirm some personal or card details. Carefully review the information shown on the screen. Next, read through the terms and conditions. Once you are ready, tap Agree or Continue to move forward. After a few seconds, the card will be added to your Apple Wallet. When the setup is complete, tap Done. Now your Klarna card is connected to Apple Pay, and you can start making contactless payments directly with your iPhone, Apple Watch, or other supported Apple devices anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Thanks for watching.